Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one.
So, in today's video, I'm going to be doing my what I eat in a day. If you watched my weight loss video, you would see that I am currently in a calorie deficit, trying to lose weight, the baby weight that I put on while I was pregnant. For my breakfast today, I'm gonna just have a coffee. I'm gonna tell you what I usually have, but today I'm not having that, just so you know what I do usually have. I usually have 0% fat Tesco Greek yogurt. I have the Aldi oats and honey protein granola, and I have peanut butter on top. The reason I'm not having it today is, like I said, I'm gonna have snacks instead, but I will have my morning coffee. I always have this, and I actually found this recipe off of TikTok. A girl was sick of buying Starbucks basically, and she started making them at home, and she showed us how to make the brown sugar oat shaken espresso. So that is what I'll be making for my coffee this morning. I do just want to say as well, excuse my appearance, I am in pajama bottoms. And you'll probably see Oliver throughout this video because, well, he's with me 24/7. I'm tired today, so if my words are slurred or stumbling, it is because of that. I am going to wait till he wakes up from his nap, and then we will go make my morning coffee. Look who's awake. I've just made my coffee. You are supposed to shake it, but obviously I don't know what I would shake it with. If you want to know the measurements of this, I will leave it down below, but I'll also tell you now. So it is half a tablespoon of that Mondin caramel syrup. It is 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I use light brown sugar, but I'm sure any brown sugar will do. It's just what we have in. Then I use the Starbucks Reserve double espresso. You need double espresso to get like a grande shot. Now, if you don't like coffee, just use 1 espresso, and then you just pour it over some ice, and then you can add milk, or whatever milk you want. Usually we have lactose free or oat milk in here, but we ran out, and Joseph's family were down yesterday, or not yesterday, the day before, and they picked up light normal cow's milk. So yeah, it's a bit sweeter with the normal cow's milk. Like, I'm so used to lactose free milk now, or oat milk, so this is a bit sweeter than usual for me. So I just wanted to explain about the whole coffee situation as well, and not having breakfast. It's not that I'm not eating breakfast to try to lose weight, just if anyone knows how calories work, obviously you can bank calories. So by me just having the coffee and not having like my normal breakfast and the coffee, I'm saving calories for later on in the day. So that is the plan. So it is currently 9:25. I'm gonna make him his purees now. So yeah, I'm gonna go drink this, and then lunch and dinner. I swear to God, oh, I need to take them out, or else I won't be making lunch or dinner. I'm such a breakfast person, but recently my lunches and dinners have been slapping. Any guesses? We've got some chicken and some mince. So I'm gonna go enjoy this, entertain him, cook his purees, and I'll talk to you for lunch. Okay guys, so Oliver's just woken up from his second nap of the day, and I'm getting pretty hungry, and I don't like to cook when he's asleep because he still has his startle reflex, and he just wakes up at every single noise. You can probably hear him, he's upstairs watching Monkey Mouse currently. But before I go get him to bring him down, I want to show you what I'm making today. So basically, for a while I've been obsessed with burritos, and they're filling, they're easy to make, and they're pretty good for you depending on what you put on them. But for me, I like crunchy taco burritos, as in like soft wrap on the outside but like crunchy tortilla chips on the inside. Now, I'm not a fan of buying tortilla chips because won't eat the whole pack before they go stale. So I like making them myself, and I have a specific way that I make them, and I want to show you because it's so easy to do. Like, this whole recipe is so easy to do. All you're gonna need is chicken. I just get the lowest fat percentage chicken that you can get. So I got the chicken in 0% reduced fat Greek yogurt once the chicken is fully cooked itself, as well as fajita seasoning. So I'll coat it with this and the yogurt after I fried it off in the pan. Then I use basmati rice in the wraps. We're all about Tesco own brand here, so I use this. And I will also pop in the tortilla chips that I'm about to show you that I make. And I also, I'm trying to think, I've nearly forgotten what I put in it. I also put on some Nando's peri mayonnaise. Super easy to make. You can add vegetables if you want. I'm just not a vegetable gal. I'm more of a fruit gal. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna make. But I'm gonna show you how I make the tortilla chips to go in the wrap first. You're gonna take your wrap. You're gonna spray some olive oil on it. You're gonna brush the olive oil around the whole entire wrap just to make sure that it is fully coated. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut it into triangles. You just want to cut them into triangles like this and then pop them onto a tray. And now that they are on that tray, I am just going to pop them into the oven. I know my oven needs to be cleaned. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set a 10-minute timer. Do not leave them any longer than that, and keep an eye on them because they burn very, very easily. And then once they're done, I will come back and I will start making the rest of the wrap. So I'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay guys, I just put Oliver down for a nap, so I really do not have long at all to show you how I make this wrap. That's too much rice. So this wrap is my lunch, and then I'm going to have a Pepsi Max with it. So I'm just gonna go have this now, and I'm going to just chill out and then we'll make dinner. Yeah, I am going to go and I'm gonna sit and I'm gonna eat this, and I'll talk to you after. As you can probably tell, it is a new day. Yesterday when I was going to show you my dinner, I ended up feeling really, really sick, so I never ended up actually having dinner yesterday. But anyways, as you've just seen, I have made my spag bol. So that is my dinner for today. In terms of snacks, I will just show you generally what I have as snacks. I don't think I'll be having any snacks today just because I'm pretty full up, but if I do have some snacks, these are my go-tos. So any type of biscuit. I love anise biscuit. We love malted milks. Joseph tends to have bourbons or chocolate chips. Crunchies. Our favorite is Milky Bar though. Like, Milky Bar is just our go-to all of the time. In terms of sweets, we get Fizzy Cola, Lances, they're our favorite. Crisp wise, then it's the Hunky Dory's prawn cocktail. So usually when I am having, say, snack, I usually actually do have one of each. So I'll have some of my Milky Bar, some of the Cola Lances, and then some of the prawn cocktail crisps, or I might do just prawn cocktail crisps and some like chocolate. If I'm eating multiples of stuff, so like a crisp, a sweet, and a chocolate, I will usually have like a quarter of each. So guys, that is the end of today's video. Sorry I've been looking rough in every single clip, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this kind of give you an insight into what I eat in a day. So that is what I eat in a day to lose weight postpartum. These are my set meals, like my go-to meals all of the time. My snacking does change, but in terms of like set meals, that is what I have. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.